अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आज हम बड़े भाई के घर पे आए हैं। भाभी जी ने हमारी ने खाना बनाया गाइस, गोरियां था खाना, बट वी लव हर एंड वी लव दिस इज हेल्थी मील, चिकन, आलू, स्वीट पोटैटो, गाजर, एस्पैरागस एंड चिकन ब्रेस्ट। ब्रोडी दे घर आए हैं, सॉरी गाइस, ब्रोडी दे।
Guys, I'm at my brother's house eating dinner, having dinner.
ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁੱਡੋ ਬੈਠੀ, ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁੱਡੋ ਬੈਠੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਸ਼ਮ। Zen.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys want juice?
Can you have a bite?
My sister-in-law made blackened chicken, mashed potatoes, grilled veggies.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah? You guys want juice?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Zenu here. Zenu, come.
Linda, please, wallahi.
Just have a bite. What's wrong with you, fam? You like your food, Aisha? We're not even eating it.
Need to think I am.
I know.
Guys, Isham di salgira in 2 घंटे. Isham will be 26 years old. How do you feel, fam?
Just from that accent.
Entering
How do you
my
feel about
late,
Huh?
entering my late 20s.
That's how you feel? But that's not how you feel. That's a fact.
I think as soon as he hits 26, you feel old.
Entering late 26. I mean, late 20s.
Is that no, are you 26? Really? You're older than Isham?
Yeah, August.
Oh, but the same year though. Wow, you're 26, eh?
Ethan,
Oh,
Papa.
man.
I mean, Ethan, Zeno, Papa, you know, I'm 26, 17.
You're 26 and 17?
Yeah.
Wow.
You're 16, you're 17, you're 18.
Oh, yeah?
Oh,
18? What's she, mama?
11.
Oh.
Mama,
Anyways, love you guys. Thanks for being here. Bye.